a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing candle or a pin bar, any sort of reversal candle that it forms, and I would easily place my sell stop around here, and my take profit would be the 90% rule. Okay, gives me a good 3% risk to reward, but that's not enough. We need to have minimum of 3 forecasted scenarios that could happen. So one scenario is the price could just trickle its way down like this and shoot up. Okay, so this will just act like the middle section. This will be the middle section, and it will shoot up, forming another touch, which would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth touch before the drop. That's one scenario. Another scenario would be, let's take this off. Another scenario, what could happen is the price could form a double top before the drop. So what it could do is it could come here, and then shoot up. To be on the safer side, if you are not somebody who would want to take a risk entry, what you could do is you could wait for the pattern to confirm the trend. So what we mainly have to look for about to close, so I'm not really looking into trades like that. So the best thing though, now what I have forecasted is there are few scenarios that can happen. Now, since we know it's a descending channel, we know it is a reversal pattern. So what are the different scenarios that can happen? This would be a falling wedge pattern. See, it's all just about patterns. I'm not even looking at support resistance or anything of that sort. Falling wedge pattern, okay, multiple touches. Since it's CHF pair, there are chances for it to spike. So what I will wait is I'll wait for a bullish uh, candle and place my orders and take it with my take profit target will be on top of the structure. That's it. It's just keeping it simple, guys. There's nothing complicated. There's no support resistance line. There's no indicators. Nothing. It's just plain patterns. And this way, you can even be. You don't really have to be in front of the chart 24/7. That's another good thing. Just once in a while, look at it. We mainly trade 1 hour time frame. Look for that candle if it's formed or not. If it's formed, you take it. If not, you just wait. That's it. It's that simple. Okay, well, this would be the last trade setup that I will be talking about. This is New Zealand dollar, NZD USD. So over here, if you see, this is something which I really missed the entry. I hate myself for doing that. I was just, I don't know, I was asleep or something. For whatever reason, I missed the trade. Anyway, it's fine. We don't have to be worried about missing a trade because there will be so many opportunities that could come. Now for this, it's just plain and simple. It broke the bottom trend line. Okay, it broke it. Now all I'm waiting for is just this. Broke first 6 to 8 hour correction, which would form a continuation pattern like a bear flag, and you just enter it. Just keeping it simple. But if you notice, the risk to reward for this one is quite good. It's really good, and NZD USD is quite promising as well. If let's say for example I get here with a 30 pip stop, let's keep it 50. the 50 pip stop, look at the residual one, 3%. How many pip? 194 pip. It does not have to be 50 pip, it could be lesser depending on the type of pattern it forms. If it's a bear flag, we enter it. There's no hesitation in that because we have already forecasted this setup. If it's another reversal pattern, then it's a different story altogether. So this is for the NZD-USD. Okay, well, see, this is the number of pairs. These are the pairs which I will be looking at for the week. These are the top 7 pairs, top 6 pairs, and there are a few pairs which are still developing, which I don't have to really be laser focused on them because they would take time for them to develop. These top 6 pairs are the ones which I have to look in between once in a while. Does not mean that I have to be in front of the chart 24/7. Just in between, once the London session opens, look at it if it forms or not. New York session opens, look at it, or during the overlap it could, anyway, we know what exactly we're looking for. This is the most important part. You need to have a plan than going blindly into the market, or wishing, hoping and praying for something to happen in your expected direction. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and with the different ways of forecasting and different trade setups, because trust me guys, this is absolutely what you need to trade. Like I said, keep it simple. You just need to have map out different possible scenarios that could probably play out, and you just enter the trade if that particular trade setup shows up. And I was planning on to I'll probably get back to you guys by mid of this week or maybe end of this week, just to show you if how these trades play out, the ones which we have discussed, and how simple it is to only trade patterns. You don't really need anything else in this. And lastly, if you guys like what you have seen and the way how we forecast and all of that, and if you want to learn more about it, just press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and would appreciate it if you could press the bell icon so that you would be informed as soon as I release the next video showing how these trades play out. Plus I was thinking I'll touch more into the mindset and the psychology of trading in the next video. So stay tuned guys, and